We're going to cover on how to edit your website. So first we start by navigating to your URL. So in your case, wcmediators.com. Once your website loads, you're going to want to log in. So /wp login.php and your username. This will be provided for you. Login. From here, this is a simple dashboard where you could navigate mainly your pages, and that's what we focus more on. So let's start off first by going to your actual live site. So over here to the left, navigate to your website title, and you'll be greeted once again to your website. So let's start. Off first by editing headers, which are global to your entire website, and then we're gonna move on to footer, which is also global to the entire website. So to do that, we want to be logged on and on any page of your website on the live view. Hover over Edit with Elementor and select Elementor header. Right here, we're able to, let's say if you change your phone number, select that. You can update your phone number or your address. And let's just make a quick change. Let's say you make a change. You'll see this highlight. Select update. And the change is live. So let me undo that. Let me go ahead and do a test item for you. So let's say we want another tab up there. Let's say hours of operation. Let's just call it, hours. Sorry. Say we wanted that, and we don't want an icon to this. So go ahead. Set the delete button. All right. We like how that looks. Select update. And we could go ahead and view our change by clicking this icon right next to update. Preview. There you go. Have the hours 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Obviously we don't want that, so let me go ahead and remove that. So once again, hover over edit with Elementor. In this case, since I'm already on the header item, I could just select the edit with header with Elementor. Hover over the element that we want to edit, select that. So we see here, we don't want this one. Press X, delete it, update. So those are kind of the changes I foresee you doing on at least the header. Eventually you might have a notice. You want to go ahead and add a notice there. But those are kind of the expected type of changes. So footer, you edit the same way as you edit your header. So edit with Elementor, go down to footer. Same principle applies. Click on the element, make the changes you want to make. Right here, it looks like use the. To do that, navigate to the page you want to edit. In our case, the home page, and just select edit with Elementor. So right here we have the options of making changes to this image. So we could select that element right there. You know, if you want to change the image, you go choose image to the media library, and you can select, you know, generic images or images that you already have uploaded. Okay. Then we could navigate to your actual content. So any content that's already published there. So about this mediation, once again, select the element you want to edit, whether it be this text block or this title bar. And to make the edit, I suggest you make the edit over here on the left hand side box. So about mediation, load. The edit is kind of live. It's not going to show up live on the website until you hit update. So let's say we want to edit the approach and retitle it. We could write our title there, or change the description, select the box, change the description over here, over to the left, and whenever your changes are done, you select update. There's also the scenario where you might want to add another text block. So over to this icon over on the left, this grid icon, go ahead and select that. And these are the available extensions that you have right here. The basic the basic ones that your website is using. So let's say we want to add a text block right here. And so we just click and drag it. And let's say we want to add a button as well. Click and drag. And let's say we want a whole new row. So go scroll down and select this addition sign. And we could add a column. And we could also drag the row. And we could, build out another element. So let's say we want an image here. So we select image and drag it over. And title heading. And let's say we also want a text block here. There you go. That's a new section. So, and then we want those changes live. So select the update. Preview. Obviously, we don't want these changes right now, so let's go ahead and remove them. So let's go back to edit with Elementor. So we don't want this, and we also don't want right click on the arrow, delete. Right click on that arrow on the box, delete. Let's update our changes, and let's go preview. So let's try that again on another page. Let's say we want to edit when to mediate. On this one, it looks like we just have a bullet list. So let's go ahead and select with edit with Elementor. And we want to, if we want to edit the title here, just select the title and type our new title here, or addition. Select update. Once that's done. In the case of this text block, once again, we just select the text block, and with this rich text editor is where you're going to make your changes. So let's say if it's another bullet point, X extra info. Okay. And or let's just tab down twice and we can start a new paragraph. Oh, sorry. And let's say we want to actually just separate that and create another text block. We'll go ahead and do that. And we could write our new information there. Let's go ahead and remove what we added. So you can also add intersections. So you see this is one row with one column. We can add intersections to that column. So click and drag. So now we have a row within our column with subcolumns. And right here, we're able to once again add image elements and text elements. And if that change was good, go ahead and update. And preview. Edit with Elementor. Let's go remove those changes. Let's update. And once again, images. You can just, once you have the image block, so let me show you a blank image. Select choose image over here on the left hand side. Just choose any image. And there you go. Let's remove this image. These buttons, they're linked to pages within your website. And so click edit on the button, and then you could change your links here. So you could have a link to anything you want. Select update. Go preview your page. There you go. Click on your biographies. Same thing applies. Edit with Elementor. Could either remove your image if you didn't want it, make your changes, select by the element, add additional content information, and update. Obviously, we don't want to update that. And you can also play with the sizing of columns by selecting and holding the cursor on the lines between the columns. And that's basically it. That's how you update everything on your website.